Every night fucks every day up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani. I am a junior at Loyola University, Maryland, but this semester I am studying abroad in Spain. So right now, as I'm speaking to you, I am in my little shoebox of a dorm room. This camera angle actually makes my room look even smaller than it is. So if you can imagine that, that's how small this room is. But I've been loving it. I've been here for about a month. And in that month, I have done an absurd amount of shopping. Actually, I'm going to try and give myself a little bit of credit. I'm looking at everything that I bought, and it's really not that much. It's just the fact that I've only been here for a month and I have little to no self-control when it comes to shopping as is, but the shopping in Spain is unbelievable. Like 10,000 times better than I ever could have imagined it to be. So I've had some trouble controlling myself. But the upside to that is, one, I have cute clothes, and two, I have cool content for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the things that I purchased recently, make sure to keep on watching and subscribe if you have not done so already, and let's just get into it. I don't know how I forgot to mention this, and I guess I should before I get into the haul, but I started a podcast. I know, finally. I have been talking about starting a podcast here on my channel for the longest time. I don't even know if I could consider it teasing it, but I've just been mentioning it, and I finally did the damn thing. So if you guys are interested in checking out the Happy Little Thing podcast, I am now available for listening on pretty much any platform where you can listen to podcasts. I'm on Spotify, I'm on Apple Podcasts, I'm on Google Podcasts, I'm on Anchor, I'm on pretty much any platform. I am so excited about this new project, so if you guys want to support it, make sure to leave me a review over on iTunes, take a picture of you listening to my podcast and post it on Instagram. You guys can tag either one of my social media sites. It's at Happy Little Thing Podcast, which is the Instagram specifically for the podcast, or you can tag my normal Instagram, which is at Danielle Jordan, _P. All right, to kick off the haul, I'm gonna start by showing you guys the 3 things that I've purchased from Zara recently. So the first one is this button-down shirt, black and cream, super simple. The sleeves cuff a little bit, so they're probably like 3/4 length sleeves, but my favorite part of the shirt is the fact that it cinches at the waist, which makes it incredibly flattering. Far more flattering than basically any button-down shirt I've ever tried on. These kind of shirts as is aren't really my style, but this one I think is really, really cool, especially with some gold jewelry, a black bralette underneath, and some black jeans. It makes for a pretty, not like put together outfit, but it's an easy way to make yourself look a little bit more presentable. As you guys can tell, I've been kind of into patterns recently, between the stripes and the plaid and all of the other prints that I have to show you in the future. I don't know why, I've kind of been stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I really like it. So these pants are no exception. They are kind of high-waisted. They hit a little bit above the belly button, which makes it really flattering to wear with pretty much any type of shirt. It's really versatile and super easy to style. The band on the back is super stretchy, which also makes it super comfortable. And then the bottom of the pants, it has a little bit of a slit at the ankle, and then they're a little bit cropped, which made it really cool to wear with my white platform sneakers because they're not super long and I didn't have to worry about cuffing them, but it looked really cool, especially with a little bit of height. And I already posted a picture of these pants on my Instagram, so if you guys have not yet followed me on Instagram, make sure to do so, because I'm constantly posting a bunch of pictures from Spain and all of my other travels. But I really like the way that I styled these pants. I think it was kind of casual, but also made me look a little bit put together. And the last thing that I got from Zara is this tote bag, because the second I got here, I planned on using a backpack for my classes, but I just didn't really feel like it, especially because all I'm really bringing to class are a few papers and my laptop. It didn't really feel necessary to use my backpack for that. I more like to use my backpack for traveling. So I thought this was perfect. It's super spacious, and what I really like about it is the interior, because it's red and makes it a little bit more interesting. But it also has a few pockets on the inside. It is the perfect size for holding pretty much anything I would need for class. And it's also nice because I pack what I need for class in this bag, and I also pack what I need for going into the city in this bag or going to lunch afterwards. It's super versatile and just really simple. It was something I needed in my closet. The next thing that I have to show you guys is from Bershka. Bershka has officially become one of my new favorite stores. This and Pull & Bear, which I'll talk about in a little bit, are stores that I'm pretty sure you can only find in Europe. If they have any locations in the States, I'm gonna need you guys to tell me, because the second I get back, I'm gonna be going through major withdrawals and wanting to shop here 24/7. But I got these pants from Bershka. They are a little bit more edgy than my style, and quite honestly, I've wanted pants like this for such a long time, but I've had a hard time finding ones that fit me correctly, and these definitely do, which is really exciting. So I think I would describe them as cargo pants because they cinch at the ankles and then they cinch at the waist. It has this like edgy little, I don't know, chain, which is very unlike me, but I'm kind of into it, not gonna lie. And they're super plain. They don't have any rips on them or anything. These were really popular last summer and I thought they were super cool, but again, couldn't find any that fit me correctly, so I didn't end up buying them, but these did, and they weren't that expensive. These pants were 22 euros. That's really damn good. These were actually on sale. They were originally 32 euros and I got them for 22. That is unbelievable, definitely a bargain, and quite honestly I think I should have purchased them in like 1,000 different colors. Next up, from Pull & Bear, I picked up 2 of the same mock neck sweaters. If you guys have been watching my study abroad vlogs, then you would know that I have been wearing these out of these shirts. It's actually absurd. So I got obviously 2 of the same ones. This one is in black. They're just very simple clothing pieces that I literally can style with any outfit. I could style this shirt right here with those pants from Bershka, the plaid pants from Zara, and pretty much everything else that I'm going to be showing you guys in this haul. It's just really, really versatile, and I feel like everyone needs something like this in their closet. And then I also, because no self-control, picked it up in gray, so looks exactly the same. I really like the neckline of it because it looks really nice when I wear it, and then I peek out a little bit of jewelry. It looks a little bit classier, as you guys can tell since I've been here. This is a really bad example because I'm wearing a t-shirt, but since I've been here, I've been trying to look a little bit more put together than I have in the past, I guess you could say, and these do a really great job at helping me with that. I have 2 jackets that I'm really excited to show you guys. They are not from the same store, but both of which are really fun prints that I'm just really proud of myself for buying, because I'm stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit when it comes to fashion, which I think is really important. So this first blazer jacket type thing is from a store called Lefties. It has already made a ridiculous amount of appearances over on my Instagram, so if you guys have not followed me on there, what the hell are you doing? You're missing out on so much fun content. But this jacket is amazing. Again, it goes along with the whole theme of wanting to look a little bit more put together. I love the color scheme because it's red, which is my favorite color, cream, and black, and it just looks so like classy, and it's so well made for the price that I got it at. I'm pretty sure I purchased this for 11 euros, something like that, which is crazy because if you felt this, you would think it was from Zara. And now for my personal favorite of the entire haul, I got this jacket from a store in my town here called Madrid. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've already looked and they don't have an online store, which makes all of this very difficult, I'm aware, but there's so many dupes to clothing pieces, especially this jacket. The whole reason why I wanted a jacket like this is because Princess Polly sells something super similar, but I wasn't able to get my hands on that before I left for abroad, so I found this, and it's basically identical, which is fantastic. The entire inside is also lined, which makes it really, really warm. This jacket is so comfortable. Again, I've worn it in pretty much all of my vlogs since I purchased it, and it's such a fashion staple that I really can throw on with any outfit, and then the second I do, it makes it look so much more fun. I feel like if my mom is watching this right now, she's not going to be too happy with these next 2 purchases, because in reality, they are things that I could have waited to purchase when I was in the United States, because they're just not unique to Europe or Spain whatsoever, but I really wanted them, and these are things that I've wanted for a while, so I figured, why the hell not? The first thing that I got is this white cropped hoodie from Brandy Melville. I didn't even say what store these were from. I got these at Brandy Melville, which I know I can just go to when I'm home. but I didn't. So I got this white cropped hoodie, very simple, very cute. I'm going on a little bit of a beach weekend trip in a few weeks, which obviously I'll be vlogging for you guys, but I pictured this with a bathing suit underneath and some gold jewelry and some shorts. I just thought it would look really summery with a tan. It might look really nice. And then in addition to that, I just picked up this cheetah print scrunchie because I love scrunchies. I think they're super fun. Even if they're not in my hair, I think they're a cool accessory to kind of just throw on. And as you guys can tell, cheetah has kind of been my thing. So why not just keep the ball rolling? Buy some more prints. Prints are fun and they make for some really cool outfits. And last but not least, I'm just gonna preface this last item that I have to show you guys because they are a little bit different from my style. I feel like the only word that I can truly use to describe them is funky because I don't own anything like them, but I think they're really cool. So I got this pair of shoes. You see what I mean by funky? They're snakeskin, which in itself is really, really cool, but they also have this massive platform, so it gives me a little bit of height. I just think they're so cool, and I got them the other day on a whim. I really wasn't even planning on buying shoes at all, but I will let you guys in on, not a secret, but just something that I think is a little interesting because I didn't know this before studying abroad in Spain. Between the time of early January and late February, Spain has this thing called rebajas season, which is sale season. And basically any store that you go into will be having massive sales between that time. And when I say massive sales, I mean you walk into Zara and they're having 80% off sales, which is crazy. And that's what I'm using to justify all of these purchases. So these shoes, I don't know exactly how much they were. Please hold. Okay, I got it. So I kept the box for this reason. These shoes, ready for this? Were originally 45 euros and I got them for 16 euros. Now do you see why I've spent so much money since I've been here? Because the sales are crazy. These shoes are amazing. They are such great quality. They honestly look like something that I would have purchased from Zara, but I got them from this random little store in town. Actually the same store that I got my cheetah print jacket at. So it's a great store overall. 10 out of 10 would recommend if you're in Spain for whatever reason. The one thing I will say about these shoes, and I'm just gonna be totally honest, they have been killing my feet. I have never had so many blisters in my entire life, and that might be super TMI, but it's gross and I hate it. So these definitely are gonna take some breaking in, to say the least, but once they're broken in, they're going to be my go-to shoe because they're so stinking cool and they just spice up any outfit. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to let me know in a comment down below. I've been having so much fun filming all of these videos for you guys, so if you have any more requests, make sure to leave them in a comment down below, and I will do everything. Also, please make sure to go check out the Happy Little Thing podcast, my new podcast over on iTunes, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Anchor, pretty much anywhere where you can listen to a podcast, I am featured on that platform. It would mean the world to me if you would show your support by leaving me a review or following me on the Happy Little Thing podcast Instagram. Just anything you can to show your support would be more than appreciated. But for now, I love you guys so incredibly much. I am so grateful for you every single damn day, and I will talk to you very soon in another video.